Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best laundry detergent sheets free and clear is probably one of the most innovative laundry solutions to hit the market. These sheets offer a convenient and eco-friendly alternative to traditional detergents. They are designed to dissolve completely in water, leaving no residue behind, and are perfect for those with sensitive skin or allergies. Join me as we dive into the world of laundry detergent sheets and explore why they might be the perfect choice for your next load. Number 5. CLEARALIF Unscented Laundry Detergent Sheets. Tired of stubborn stains? These laundry detergent sheets are formulated with powerful surfactants and enzymes. They effectively remove oil, red wine, blood, and coffee stains from your clothes. Sensitive skin? This product is perfect for you. It contains no perfume, meaning no added fragrance. It's gentle on your skin while still providing a deep clean. This product is designed with your skin in mind. It contains no irritating ingredients that cause skin issues. It protects your delicate skin while getting rid of stains. Concerned about the environment? All ingredients are eco-friendly and easily decompose. The packaging uses recyclable materials, eliminating plastic bottles and pollution. Traveling soon? These sheets are lightweight and take up minimal space. You can easily pack a few in your suitcase without worrying about liquid leakage. It adds almost no weight to your luggage. No more measuring cups needed. Each sheet is pre-cut and pre-measured. They dissolve quickly in both hot and cold water. It's suitable for conventional and e-washing machines. We aim to make cleaning convenient and eco-friendly. Your purchase supports a green brand and a sustainable community. Let's heal the world together. Join the CLEARALIF family today. What we like? This product is designed with sensitive skin in mind, free from irritating ingredients. It also comes in eco-friendly packaging, reducing waste. If you have sensitive skin and travel frequently, this is a great choice. It is easy to carry, making it perfect for those on the go. What people say? They get the clothes cleaner than I've had in memory. They smell so good. They work super well. Number 4. Poesie Fresh Scent Laundry Detergent Sheets. Tired of bulky detergent bottles? These innovative sheets offer a convenient and eco-friendly laundry solution. They are designed to make your laundry routine easier. Each pack contains 160 pre-processed sheets, perfect for different load sizes. One sheet is enough for small loads, and 2 for large ones. It's simple and effective. These concentrated sheets dissolve instantly in water, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. The sheets are small but powerful, ensuring a thorough clean. Forget about heavy jugs and messy pods. The lightweight, recyclable packaging makes it ideal for home, dorms, travel, and camping. Take it with you anywhere. No more sticky hands or messy washing machines. These sheets eliminate spills and make your laundry experience clean and hassle-free. It's a cleaner way to wash. What we like? This product offers a mess-free laundry experience with pre-measured sheets. The concentrated formula dissolves quickly in water. If you are tired of messy liquid detergents and want a convenient, space-saving solution, you should consider this product. What people say? My clothes come out fresh and clean, and the scent is light and pleasant, not overwhelming. The product also scores high on convenience. No heavy bottles, no spills, and it takes up barely any storage space. I use half to a full sheet per load based on size. I prefer light scents and feel like my clothes are naturally cleaned and scented. Number 3. Laundry Detergent Sheets, 200 loads, fresh linen. Good things do come in small packages. These sheets will leave your clothes fresh and clean. It uses safe ingredients for a powerful clean. The packaging and design save space and keeps plastic out of the ocean. Every box provides 50 or 100 loads of use, eliminating carbon and oil dew. The soap easily dissolves in water and works in any standard washing machine. Just add a laundry strip and relax. It's paraben-free, phosphate-free, bleach-free, and dye-free. It's kid-friendly and mom-approved. This powerful cleaning product comes in a small package. It works as well as leading detergents every wash. It's also perfect for travel. What we like? This product provides powerful cleaning in a compact, eco-friendly package. It is also formulated to be gentle on sensitive skin. If you are looking for a detergent that is both effective and environmentally conscious, this is a great option. What people say. They resolve well and do not leave any residue on the clothes. It's also easy to use, and if you be doing laundry at a laundromat, it's certainly easier to bring along than a big bottle. I am grateful to have these as they take up little space, smell amazing, efficiently clean my clothing, and last a long time. Number 2. Kind Laundry Detergent Sheets. Introducing Kind Laundry Detergent Sheets. These sheets are packed with stain-fighting enzymes and plant-powered ingredients. They provide strong cleaning power to tackle tough stains. Tired of messy measuring cups and bulky bottles? These laundry sheets dissolve easily in water. Just toss one in with your laundry and start the wash cycle. It's that simple. These cruelty-free sheets are made with plant-based and active ingredients. It's a natural and gentle alternative for your family and pets. It is a better choice for the environment. Whether you have a top loader, front loader, or high-efficiency machine, these sheets work perfectly. They are also effective in all water temperatures and are septic safe. Take these waterless sheets wherever you go. Compact and lightweight, they are perfect for travel. These sheets are a must-have addition to your travel laundry kit. What we like. This product uses plant-based ingredients for a gentle yet effective clean. It is also easy to use, dissolving quickly in water. If you like a natural and eco-friendly laundry solution, this is a great choice. What people say. These are genuinely concentrated. One medium-large load I use a full sheet, sometimes 1.5 because I like the smell and cleaning power, just tossed in with the clothing. Easy to use, seems to get the laundry clean and no lingering smell in clothes. Just smell fresh. They are so much more practical and you don't have to worry about messy liquid detergent spilling, pods leaking or popping, or the mess of powdered detergent when going to and from the laundry room. They are also super easy to store and take up less space than her dryer sheets. Number 1. Maravello Laundry Detergent Sheets, 120 loads. Tired of bulky detergent bottles? These sheets offer a convenient and eco-friendly alternative. They dissolve easily and are perfect for any laundry situation. Unlike traditional detergents, these sheets eliminate spills and the need for measuring. Their compact size makes them ideal for travel or small spaces, offering a hassle-free laundry experience. Made with plant extracts, these sheets are gentle on sensitive skin. They effectively remove stains and odors, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. These lightweight sheets are safe for the whole family. They're designed to clean clothes effectively, provide a fresh scent, and keep skin comfortable without irritation. From adult clothing to baby items, these sheets are versatile. Use them on clothes, blankets, bed sheets, and more, for a complete clean. What we like. This product offers a gentle formula with plant extracts, making it suitable for sensitive skin. It dissolves easily, eliminating the need for measuring. If you are looking for a convenient and gentle laundry solution for the whole family, you should consider this product. What people say. They dissolve super quickly and have a very mild smell. I like that it's so easy to use. I use 1 sheet for small loads, 2 for medium or large, and 3 for extra large loads. The sheets have a very pleasant scent that is not overpowering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.